I overcame $50,000 debt, and now I'm torn between saving for a home or retirement. 5 years ago, I found myself in a tough spot. I used to have a serious spending problem, and it caught up with me in a big way. I unexpectedly lost my job, and I had to sell the house I had bought using my entire Roth IRA as a down payment. By the end of 2019, things had settled a bit. I found another job in my field, but it paid significantly less, and I was still $50,000 in debt, none of which was from student loans. Fortunately, I had an older family member who welcomed me into their home. This person enjoyed the company and didn't mind having me around. For that, I am forever grateful. Fast forward 5 years, and I am finally debt-free. In my early 20s, I had big plans. I knew all about BOGO and index investing, and I understood the miracle of compounding interest. I never expected to find myself at 36, making $45,000 a year, with no house and nearly zero savings. But here I am. I've suffered the consequences of my actions and paid off my debts. Now, I face a new dilemma. I can't save for both a home and retirement at the same time. I started building an emergency fund, and then I looked into reopening an IRA, but catching up feels impossible. I want to retire someday. I know I have about 30 years left in my career, hopefully with some pay raises along the way. 30 years seems like a long time, but I know it's crucial to start saving for retirement as soon as possible. On the other hand, I feel a bit homeless. I'm incredibly lucky to have family to fall back on, but I dream of owning my own place again. I'm not expecting any inheritance to help me out. I'm not here for career advice, and I want to clarify that my spending habits have changed dramatically. I don't eat out at restaurants, drink, or vape. I buy groceries at Walmart and bring my lunch to work every day. My vehicle has been paid off since 2016. I have a Netflix subscription, but not Prime, Hulu, HBO, or Apple. I've had the same iPhone for 6 years, and I don't buy designer clothes, shoes, or bags. I don't travel, and I have no children. When I say I want to own a home again someday, I'm talking about a small house or condo, maybe around 1,000 square feet. Homes that small are hard to find, but I'm not fantasizing about McMansions or luxury buildings. So, which should I prioritize, saving for retirement or buying a home? Let's break it down. Prioritizing retirement. Retirement savings are crucial because the sooner you start, the more you benefit from compounding interest. Even if you start small, those contributions can grow significantly over time. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Compounding interest. The longer your money has to grow, the more you'll have in the end. Starting now, even with small contributions, can lead to substantial growth over 30 years. 2. Employer contributions. If your job offers a 401k with matching contributions, you should take advantage of it. It's essentially free money towards your retirement. 3. Financial security. Having a solid retirement fund means you won't have to rely on others or face financial insecurity in your later years. Prioritizing home ownership. Owning a home can provide stability and a sense of accomplishment. It's also an investment, although it can come with its own set of risks and responsibilities. Consider these points. 1. Building equity when you own a home. Your mortgage payments build equity over time. Eventually, you'll own your home outright, and it can be a valuable asset. 2. Stability. Owning a home can provide a sense of stability and control over your living situation. You're not at the mercy of landlords or rent increases. 3. Investment potential. While the real estate market can be unpredictable, historically, home values have appreciated over time. Balancing both. While it may seem impossible to save for both, there are ways to balance your goals. 1. Budgeting. Continue living frugally and create a budget that allocates funds to both retirement and a down payment savings account. Even small amounts can add up over time. 2. Side income. Consider ways to increase your income, such as freelance work, part-time jobs, or selling items you no longer need. Extra income can accelerate your savings. 3. Financial planning. Seek advice from a financial planner who can help you create a strategy tailored to your situation. They can provide insights on how to balance both goals effectively. My personal decision. For me, I've decided to focus on retirement savings first. I know that time is a critical factor in growing my retirement fund, and I don't want to miss out on the benefits of compounding interest. I'm contributing to my employer's 401k and plan to open an IRA soon. At the same time, I'm saving what I can for a future down payment on a home. It's a slower process, but I'm confident that by maintaining my frugal lifestyle and looking for opportunities to increase my income, I can achieve both goals. I'm not screwed. It might take longer than I had hoped, and it requires a lot of discipline and sacrifice, but I believe I can build a secure future for myself. The key is to stay focused, keep learning, and make the best decisions I can with the resources I have. If you're in a similar situation, remember that you're not alone. Many people face these challenges, and there are resources and strategies to help you navigate them. Prioritize your goals, stay disciplined, and keep pushing forward. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more new personal finance stories.